First of all, we would like to thank you very much for being. You have taken some time to come to RCL for this event, inter-school tournament, which we are now almost into the wrap-up for this year. We thank each one of you for being here to support us. The encouragement that comes from you being on site makes us feel that much more happier, because the support is needed in order to promote cricket. And we know that you are all very much involved in cricket, and with your support, inshallah, we will proceed much further than what we are today. I think it would be very good if we can have some brief from each one of you regarding the event that you have seen today, how you think the organization is doing, and what are your feedbacks on this. So, sir, पहले आपसे start करते हैं.
First of all, I would like to thank RCL that they invited all of us, and it's a really great honor for us that we are here. And what we have seen last year also, when I just came the last year for Saudi Gadget tournament for schools, and now this is my second time to here. That's really, I can say only things that sports activities will build a career. And this is really a good platform RCL has built up in Riyadh, and inshallah ta'ala, we hope that from our Indian community side as well as the Asian community side will support RCL, and inshallah in the future we'll find RCL in the topmost cricket association in Saudi Arabia. Thank you very much.
के बारे में कुछ कहें, और इंशाल्लाह जो आने वाला दौर है उसमें जो आपको हमारी और आपकी डिस्कशन चल रही है, तो उसमें भी कुछ थोड़ा सा आज
इंशाल्लाह रैक की तरफ से आसिफ भाई बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और वो मेहनत नज़र भी आ रही है कि फ़ाइनल जीत गई टीम आज माशाल्लाह से, तकरीबन जीतने पे है, इंशाल्लाह जीत जाएगी। और मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ आसिफ भाई को आज के मैच के लिए, और इंशाल्लाह मुमताज़ ग्रुप हमेशा आसिफ भाई के साथ है, और इंशाल्लाह जो भी डेवलपमेंट है हम उसके साथ हैं।
सर जी, हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल भी हैं अपना पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के, सर आज के बारे में आप भी कुछ कहें।
Gee, I think it's a wonderful thing which RCL and Saudi Gazette is doing over the past many years, and our school is a regular participant of this event. It's, this is something which is very important for our young generation. Wherever you do not promote healthy activities, wherever you do not promote supporting activities, automatically unhealthy or unsupporting activities will get a chance to establish. So I would highly appreciate RCL and Saudi Gazette for encouraging the young students' talent. I mean, this is a very golden opportunity for the students to come participate, and for the coaches and for the organizers to pick up the talent. That is why I highly support this, and that is why our school every year takes part in this activity. And what I have seen over the years, that this is expanding, and I'm very confident that RCL and Saudi Gazette will expand it on a bigger scale. So well done, I would say, RCL and Saudi Gazette.
Thank you very much. सर जी, हमारे प्रेसिडेंट भी मौजूद हैं, मामूर भाई कुछ
ये मैनी ओकेजन इस तरीके से बहुत से ओकेजन आए हैं, लेकिन ये एक उनमें से एक और फिर इंटर स्कूल का मेरा 20 सेकंड चांस है इसको अटेंड करने का और इसको सुपरवाइज़ करने का भी। तो यकीनन ये एक बहुत बड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट है, और आप सबकी इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट को आपका सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इसमें आने में। और ख़ुसूसी तौर पर हम सऊदी क्रिकेट सेंटर और ख़ास तौर पे आपके जो एकेडमी है उसका भी शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि उनकी तरफ से भी बड़ी सपोर्ट मिलती है, और रेस्ट ऑफ स्पॉन्सर्स को भी हम हमेशा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। उम्मीद है कि आइंदा भी वो हमें इसी तरीके से सपोर्ट करते रहेंगे।
थैंक यू। मिस्टर जवाद, प्लीज, today is a big day for us, so
First, I would like to thank our guest who is sharing us this beautiful moment, and I would like to thank Saudi Gazette for supporting and sponsoring our inter-school, and I hope from all of us, from President to our committee, I'm sure they are processing for the best for the cricket. Thank you very much.
thank you very much once again for providing us the opportunity here. I thank all the schools who have participated in this tournament, especially the winners of under 19 Pakistani school, and I hope today there will be also another winner for under 19 section. This event basically was an idea of Mr. Khalid Al-Maina. He have been supporting us for the last 15 years. His time when he was editor-in-chief for Arab News was promoting youth cricket in Saudi Arabia. And when he moved to Saudi Gazette, he asked us and we arranged this for Saudi Gazette. So thank you again, Saudi Gazette. Thank you again, Mr. Khalid Al-Maina. Just a new information, a lady has taken the position of editor-in-chief of Saudi Gazette. Her name is Sumaya Jabarti. She sends regards to all the RCL members, RCL committee members, and all the school in charge. And she could not make it up today because of her engagements. But she said if I have time in future, definitely she will be visiting. Schools, thank you very much. Management of schools, thank you very much. I really thank Mr. Jawad to being with us as a patron of RCL, as a head of RCL. Because of him, we have all the grounds here in this area. You know, he have been very supportive to talk with the Prince for all the arrangements. You know, and I thank Mr. Mahmood Alai, the president, who have been on the back for us to support all the time. Above all, the camera has to move towards the other guy. This is Javed Munawar. He has done a lot of efforts to bring cricket live in Riyadh for the last many years. So thank you everyone, and I hope everyone enjoyed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
First of all, I am very thankful to the patron of RCL who made this effort to success this inter-school tournament and a promotion of cricket among the children. I appreciate everyone. And this is the very good platform to encourage the children from root level. What the RCL is doing here. I appreciate RCL and thanks to the RCL members for conducting of such a great tournament in Kingdom. Particularly this game is not available in this country. So I'm thankful to everybody, and from our side our 4 teams are taking part in this tournament, under 16 category, under 19 category. So and under 19 we got 2nd position. So I'm thankful to the every member of this RCL committee. Thank you one and all.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। RCL का टूर्नामेंट खेला है, बहुत ही अच्छा टूर्नामेंट था, बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज टूर्नामेंट था, और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि सब लोगों ने बड़ी मेहनत की है इसमें। बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हैं, इस सहरा में उनको इतनी अच्छी क्रिकेट मिली है और हम लोगों ने बड़ा एंजॉय किया है। हर बंदे ने यहाँ पर पर्टिकुलरली RCL के लोगों ने बड़ी मेहनत की है, ज़िक्रिया भाई ने और बाकी लोगों ने हर वक्त ग्राउंड होते थे, हर वक्त अपडेट करना, इंफॉर्मेशन देना, हमें जो नई न्यूज़ होती थी वो जनाब नेट पे दे देना, फ़ोटोग्राफ, हर चीज़ अपडेट करना। और मैं रियली बड़ा इम्प्रेस हुआ इससे कि बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट टूर्नामेंट था ये। मैंने कंपेयर किया दोनों टूर्नामेंट्स में, लेकिन RCL का टूर्नामेंट बहुत अच्छा और वेल मैनेज हुआ।
Thank you very much for coming here today, Mr. Shaukat. We welcome you from Riyadh Cricket League. Would like to know some few things from your side, being the principal of the international school. What do you feel about the event and the organizing committee's skills? Plus, what intentions your team have in future for the youth?
Fine. On the very onset, I would like to congratulate all the organizers because here in the desert, Saudi Arabia, there is least scope for our youths and young people to participate such type of activities, which is in fact a very important tool in the hand of the principal to impart discipline, because the sportsman spirit you cannot find in any other part of the curriculum except the sports. So it is helping us a lot, and of course we're looking positive for it in the future. Hopefully it will, as the football, the other games are popular in the Saudi Arabia, it will become popular among the youth of Saudis also. All the best wishes to the RCL. RCL doing a great job over here, bringing the sportsmanship, this quality among the youth on the surface, that has been helping all the principals and the sport to impart discipline and developing the other qualities related with. So thanks to RCL.
Thank you.